Imagine Mickey Mouse pitching Apple with last year's iPhone slides. Outdated decks, disaster. Donald Duck walks into Tesla, quoting old features. The buyer instantly checks out. Bugs Bunny promises one thing, Superman another, and suddenly your brand looks like chaos. But here's the AI flip, decks that update themselves every time you open them. Pricing and case studies pulled live from the source. Spider-Man walks into a pitch with a deck that feels handcrafted for Nike, even though AI built it in seconds. Mario, he doesn't send PDFs, he launches a personalized buyer site in minutes with Moksy.ai. Outdated decks don't just waste time, they kill trust. Sales Enablement 2.0 keeps every rep always fresh, always on brand. Subscribe now.